Nowadays, almost every electronic device that we use are powered by a battery of some sort. There are various technologies that we have implemented during the years to ensure that the battery provides the most power in a small package. Today, the lithium-ion technology is the most advanced one. It ensures a great energy density, combining a small footprint. Monitoring a battery is mandatory. This is due to the fact that the chemicals inside the battery, especially the lithium-ion one, are very sensitive to temperature change and overcharge and discharge phenomenon. The functions built in the Tactigon board will help you monitor those values. Let's see how it's done. First of all, go to the tool window and check if Next Board, USB serial and Tactigon are selected. Then choose the right COM port. First of all, we're going to include the Tactigon battery library. This library contains all the necessary functions that we're going to need. Then we will be declaring the bat meter and bat data handlers. Those will be used to gather information about our battery and later on display those. In the main loop, we're going to update the bat data container with the bat meter data. This is done using the batmeter.getData function. The main purpose is to gather information about the state of charge, charging current and charging voltage. Those values are later on displayed on the serial terminal. Once we've opened our serial terminal, we can see that the charging current is about 1 mA, the charging voltage is 3.82 volts, and the state of charge is about 32%.